Hello guys, I'm Ace Mirxa from Programming Master and welcome back in my fourth class of the Adobe Photoshop. So, what is our today agenda? Our today's agenda is about layer panels. So, what is the layer panels? As you can see this area, this is our layer panels. If you can see this tab layers, this is our actually layers panel. So, what we need to learn about? We need to learn about this layers panel. So actually what I did, I opened an image, this image. I just click this image and drag this image in here and just paste there. Okay, so now this image has been paste here, or you can directly open from here. Okay, so my image is here. So what we need to learn about these layers, what is the usage of these layers, these options and other things as well. Okay, so in the background color, as you can see, some of the options are not available right now because of these logs. I will elaborate them after that. So just focus right now. If you have the background image which will be not normal, then you will not be able to move this image. Let's suppose I am selecting these images, sorry, these layers, and then after by clicking on control E, this will merge. Okay, actually this is not the right thing, but right now I just need to merge them. That's why I click on control E with both of the selections. Okay, now you can see with the move tool, if I want to move this selection, I will get the error convert to normal layer. So what is a normal layer? If you are creating any of the layer, then it will be a normal layer. Normal layer will be there will be options, the options will be available for normal layer, but if you will click on the background layer, you will be able to see there are no more options right now. There are partial options right now, but if you will select let's suppose I will select this one, and now I will clock all click on all lock all. Then what will do, now you can see these options are not available. Okay, these options are not available right now. So what I need to do, I clicked on this layer one, and now if I will do anything here, that suppose I will uh, do some kind of this brush thing, then I want to move this image, oh sorry, this layer, then you will be able to see I freely move this one. And there are options, these are options are also available right now. Okay, so now let's suppose I created a layer now. So now let's see what are these options. I will go to opacity. What is opacity? It will be like visibility. Like visibility, if you want to show it, like opacity will be depend on the visibility. Let's suppose you can by clicking on this drop down option, you will be able to see the opacity is happening right now. Okay, the opacity is affecting. Okay, let's suppose if I'm not clicking in this lov, then on the opacity you can see there will be arrow sign. If you will uh, by clicking, by left clicking, if you will drag from right to left, then opacity will be decrease, or from left to right it will be increase. Okay, so that's how you can manage the opacity as well. Okay, this is the opacity. And fill, actually fill has the other purpose, but right now it will show the same effect as the opacity. As you can see, this is the same effect as the fill. So right now you can see opacity and fill is the same, but if we can go, if we will go further, then you will be able to see fill and opacity is different, and fill has more advantage than opacity. But right now you can see opacity and fill is the same one. Okay, so okay, so now uh, opacity is also done. Let me delete this layer. I'm creating a new layer. Okay, so what about these logs? Actually these logs will be useful with some kind of scenarios. Let me open any other image as well. Let's suppose I'm opening uh, this image. Okay, so right now what I need to do, I will move, I need to move this image into my, and this works with this workspace or canvas, you can say. So what I will do, just simply right click and paste here, leave here. Okay, so now you will be able to see the image will be pasted here. Okay, I'm working on 100%. So right now you will be able to see my image is here. Okay, let's pause. I will, let me delete this one. We are not using this layer, so let me delete this one. Okay, so now right now on the layer 2, layer 2, if I will select this lock, then actually this is what is the usage of this lock. So let's go with the first lock. What is the first lock? This is lock transparent pixels. So what is the use of lock transparent pixels? Actually, when you will select this one, then if you will be able to see right now, if you want to draw any kind of color or brush, then you can see right now I clicked my right left click of the mouse, but right now I'm not able to do anything. But if I will go here, then you can see I'm able to brush here. So now this area or this image is the image pixels are enabled right now. Okay, so let's suppose if I'm not selecting this one, let's suppose I am unlocking this one, then now you will be able to see for both of them I can able to draw anything. Okay, if I will click on alt and then backspace, then you able to see now the whole layer will be filled. But if let's suppose I select this transparent pixel lock, then a transparent lock, then what will be do? Alt with backspace. Now only this image will be filled. Okay, so this is a usage of transparent pixels. Okay, so let me go to the another one. This is a brush log image pixels. Okay, log image pixels. Then what you can do now? 1 minute. Let me revert this one. Now this one, as you can see now, if I want to draw anything, I will not be able to do anything because I lock this image. I lock this image. Okay, so right now I will be not do anything. So if I select this brush, now you can see my brush is not enabled here. Okay, so what about the this one? This one is lock position. Lock position means if I want to move this image, let's suppose with the move selection, I want to move this image, I will not be able to move this one. I will not be able to move this one. But if I will uncheck this one, let me uncheck this one. Now you will be able to see I can move easily. Okay, I can move it anywhere I want. Okay, transform controls are already visible for you. If you want to uh, if you want to do any kind of disaster things for this image, you can do easily. Okay, so I will not recommend this one. But you can if you want to work on the image and you don't want to move this its position, then what you will do, you will just click on this image and click on that lock position. Okay, so with the if you can see, let me click on this lock image, then this transparent pixels is also not visible. Okay, this goes grayed out. But if I will select this lock position, then you will be able to see transparent pixels also enabled. Okay, so you can use this one as well. Right now what right now it will not be moved, and the active area will be this image only. Alt backspace. Now you will be able to see, you can do the both as well. Okay, so let's suppose if I will select this one, this is a artboard. Actually in the CC 2017, and the Adobe include a feature artboard, as I already told you. So if you are working with the artboard, definitely when we will work on the artboard, then we will use this log. But right now I will not use this one because we are not using artboard. So this is for the artboard. Okay, so this is the local. Local means all of the things will be enabled here. Let me click on the local. Now you will be able to see now these options are gone. Okay, and now I will not be able to do anything for this layer. I will not be able to draw anything. You can see. Okay, if I want to move this one, I will be not able to move anything. Okay, so this is the usage of these locks. So let me unlock this one. Okay, so now I will select this one. Our lock is done, fill is done, opacity is done. Okay, so now this is a normal and dissolve. Okay, what is the normal and dissolve? Let's suppose I want to go with the opacity again. Okay, with the let me make it here. Okay, what I need to do with the opacity, let's suppose if I will go from left to right, then opacity will be decreased, right? So you can see it is totally blending in it. So this is the usage of normal. What it will be but what is the usage of dissolve? Let me select this dissolve, and now if I will uh, move from left to right, you will be able to see now this distortion is happening like this. Okay, what is the meaning of this? If I will control plus then zoom in, then you will be able to see actually. Control plus again, control plus again. Okay, now let me go to again to the 100%, and now it is fine. Okay, so if I will go from left to right, sorry, right to left, then you will be able to see some of the pixels has been you can say uh, goes off, or you can say they goes disabled some of the pixels. So that's why the previous image is shown like this. These reds are from strawberry image. Okay, so some of the pixels has been uh, off, goes off or shut off, you can say, or these goes. Let me control Z again and control minus. Actually this is a usage of dissolve. Whenever you are working with the blending, like image need to be blend smoothly, then you will go with the normal, or this is our actually your requirement. When whatever you want to do, you can go like this. So okay, these are the divisions. Okay, what is the usage of these divisions? Let's suppose I select this image, and now if I will go to this, actually what is this mode? This is a blending mode. This is not a blending options. Okay, this is blending mode. So if I will go with the blending mode, and now you will be able to see there are multiple divisions are there. Actually this section is a division, this section is another division, and this section is another division. So it actually right now there are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 divisions are there. Okay, so what is the usage of darken? This is the second division, third division, and fourth division. Okay, actually these are the similars, but actually these are for the opposites. You can see if it is a darken, but now what happened, only the darker colors are visible right now. The now they are not showing any light color. Okay, so if I will go with the lighten, now you will be able to see it is showing only the light color, not the dark color. But what is the multiply? 1 minute, let me show you the multiply with the another option. Okay, let's suppose what is our image has the black color, right? With the multiply, what it will be used, it will show only me the black color, and if there is a white color, it will not show. Let me check if I have the image which have the white background. Just 1 minute. Yeah, we can open this one. Or we can drag from here easily and paste it. Okay. Okay, now you, as you can see, this is my image. Okay, it has now white and black background color. So what I need to do, I will click on this multiply, and you are able to see only the dark color, only the black color is enabled, but the white color has been gone. So actually we can use, instead of multiply, let's suppose I can use this one as well. I can go to the selection, and the selection with the magic wand tool, and I will uncheck the contiguous. If I will select this one, it will select 1 minute. Okay, it will select this white color. If I will click on this delete, then you will be able to see white has been gone. But what is the disadvantage of this one? If I will zoom in this screen, 1 minute. Okay, if I will zoom in this screen, let me show you. You will be able to see now some of the white color has been there. It is not the white, actually this is the gray. Okay, so I don't need this one. So control minus, what I need to do instead of this magic wand tool, I will go with this option, with this blend option, like multiply. Okay, so now you are able to see the black color is only visible, but the white color has been gone. So if I will go with the screen, then you are able to see my black color has been gone. Now I will be able to see only the white color. Okay, control plus. Actually, this black is from the behind image, like the from the strawberry image, not from this image. Okay, control minus. So actually this is the usage of screen and multiply. The darken and this lighten, these are opposite of this two. Okay, if you can see, this first option of this division is uh, opposite of this uh, division first option. If you will go to the this means this division second option, then you will be able to see this is the opposite of this one. Okay, so color bar and color dodge, these are the actually you can use anything you want, but let me tell you one thing, all of these effect will be will have the different effect on the different images or the different colors. You will not I will not say this is the 100% result of all for all of the images. If you will go for another image, then definitely the result will be different. Okay, so difference and exclusion, subtract, divisions. And so let's suppose I want to inverse these colors. Let's suppose I want to inverse the black color to the white and white color to the black. Then what I need to do, okay, let me go to the normal. Then what I need to do, one can go with the image. Just 1 minute. Okay, we can go with the image with the adjustment, and there is a invert. Okay, this is not the inverse. What it will be do, inverse for the opposite selection. Let's suppose you select a strawberry and you want to if you will click on the control shift I, or if you will go, which will let me open this one, and if I will select this one. Okay, now you are able to see, now the strawberry has been selected. If I want to go for if I don't want to select this strawberry but all of the other area, then I will go to the right click, sorry, yeah, right click, and then go with the inverse. Let me check where the inverse, select inverse. Okay, what it will do, it will select the other area, not this strawberry but whole area, other whole area. So this is not like the same as select inverse. Okay, so if I will go with the image adjustment, let me select this layer. I will go this one, image, and go to the adjustments, and then I will click on that invert. What it will do, it will change the colors, black from to white, white from black. So now if I will go to the multiply, you will be able to see now the result has been changed, right? Okay, so this is these two divisions are done. And what is the usage of this fourth division? Actually, this is the combination of the first one, and overlays combination of lighten and darken. Okay, and if I will go with the soft light, then what it will do, it will the combination of screen and multiply. And this the combinations. Okay, like these are the combinations, you can go with it and you can get the idea by yourself as well. Okay, so now let me go to the last division. What is the use of last division? Hue, saturation, color, and luminosity. Actually, hue is just for the color. Actually, if you will select on any of the image, and then you will be able, you will click on the hue. If it actually all the images have the different effects. If you will click on the red one, then it will show the red colors. If you will go for the blue one, then on the hue it will show the blue colors for the image. Okay. So let's suppose if I will select this image, let me go to this image, control plus. Now I will select this image. Sorry, let me delete this one. I will click on new layer, and now I will be this quick object selection tool. Actually, this is a big image, that's why it is taking the time. So no issue. If you are working on the raw resolution image or a lesser size image, then it will select them very fastly. Okay, so now my apple has been selected, right? So if I will go to the, if I will change the color, let's suppose I will change this color to this blue one, and I will click on the OK with the alt backspace, the color has been filled, right? So actually this is not the not the good way, because it is not like color changing. What is the use of this color? Actually, whenever you will be let's suppose you have the image with the with the white and background color, and you need to restore the colors, so you will go with this color. Okay, now if I will click on this color, you will be able to see now this blue color has been changed to this one. Actually now this is a look a bit fine, but it is not the good way to select or change the colors in the image. But right now this is the option. Okay, so if I will go with the luminosity, then if I will select any of the color, let's suppose I will select any of the color, and with alt backspace you will be able to see it will not change the uh, it will not change this say apple color from green to anyone, because this luminosity will get only the original color of the image of the apple. Okay, so what about the saturation and hue? I will tell you about them later. I will tell you about them later, about this hue and saturation, color and luminosity. You already know. So right now you learned about this division and color, right? So you can use this one, and you will do your practice for the better understanding. So guys, this is our layer panels. And last thing, we have this search, you can say. If you have multiple of the layers, let's suppose you have 100 layers, and you want to check how much kind of images layers you have. Let's suppose you have the all of the images layers will be visible. If you will click on this one, then all of the adjustment layers will be visible. Right now if I don't have any 1 minute, right now 1 minute, right now I don't have any adjustment layers, so that's why no any adjustment layers is visible for me. If I will go for the text layers, type layers, then you will be able to see right now I don't have any text layer or type layer, that's why it is not visible for me. So these are all of kind of the uh, you can say search criteria or filter criteria. You will be able to find your particular kind of layers. So if I will go for this name, effect, mode, attribute, color, smart object, select and artboard, then you will be able to select the different one. Let's suppose you have the name, let's suppose you know the name of the layer, and I will, if I will click on the layer one, then you will be able to see only the layer one is available for me. So this is only for the search criteria. So guys, this is our fourth class for the panel layers. So I hope you got the idea of what is the use of this layers panel, not the panel layer, sorry, layers panel. So what is the use of this layers panel? So guys, hope you got the idea. Actually, sorry again for my English. Actually, I'm trying to overcome my English issue. So hopefully I will overcome this coming days. So thank you guys, please support me and subscribe my channel and like my videos and comment me if there is any fallback, or if there is any issue you are not you are or you are not able to understand my class or my way of the teaching, then please let me know. Thank you guys, bye, take care.